made up by HASSAN SABAG, José Eduardo Rodriguez, Kenny Perez, and we're going to present our final project, with problems in the changing world. Let's begin. Well, with problems are complex. There are difficult challenges because they are subjective and cannot be separated from their environment. Weak problems are hard to control and rarely eliminate. A weak problem has no known solution because there is no clear relationship between cause and effect. Likewise, weak problems are open-ended. They're solved by the implementation of multiple partial solutions. Weak problems are different because they cannot be solved by the individual. Solving weak problems is about engaging people and working together in a common purpose. Next.
Okay, what skills do you have to be as a leader who promotes the well-being of people in changing world? A leader is someone who defines outcomes, but then helps individuals put their talent to use to get there. The best leaders know their people and are more aware of those people's traits that they are of their weakness. Leadership is not just one skill, but rather a combination of several different skills working together. What makes a good leader? Effective leaders are essential to any organization. They can help build strong teams with a business and ensure projects, activities, or other work functions are performed successful. Good leaders have strong interpersonal and communication skills. And the most important, anyone can become one. Anyone can become one leader. One leader, following the next top 6 skills picked by our team, and let's talk about them. The first one is decisiveness. Decisiveness. Effective leaders are those who can make decisions quickly with the information they have. Effective decision making comes with time and experience. Second, integrity. Integrity is often seen as just truthfulness or honesty, but in many cases, it also means having and standing by a set of strong values. Third, relationship building. Leadership requires the ability to build and maintain a strong and collaborative team of individuals working toward the same goal. Fourth, problem solving. Good leaders are skilled at problem solving issues that arise on the job. Effective problem solving often requires staying calm and identifying a step-by-step solution. Fifth, dependability. Being a dependable leader means that people can trust and rely on you. A dependable person follows through on plans and keep promises. Ability to teach and mentor. One skill that differentiates leadership from many others com, competencies, competencies is the ability to teach and mentor. Next.
How can you assume the role of leader in global post-pandemic scenario? We mainly consider actions to be a strong leader during COVID-19 description. The first one is create a central and clear list of priorities because we need to be efficient and effective. The second is approach to problem solving. And the third is to be honest, empathic, clear, and simple. The fourth, which is that this crisis represents an opportunity for leaders to create more team cohesion and innovation in the face of adversity.
How can we empower people to adapt to the world of work in the next year? If we want to empower people, we need to invest in their capabilities, considering the transition to a digitalized world of work. We must develop people that have strong core skills which will empower them to keep developing their skills over their life course. These skills will provide people with greater security and opportunity as they face job transitions in the future. Another area in which we need to pay attention is in the social protection system. If people are protected from childhood to old age, they will be able to enhance their capability to adapt. We should see this as an investment in people's capabilities, By the other hand, we must address the issue of gender equality and keep promoting it into the organizational culture. Next.
Well, and finally, we think that there is difference between leadership and management. Leadership is related with something one has experienced before, meanwhile management has not. In other words, managers tend to resolve previously experienced problems, whereas leaders most innovate to solve novel or unruly problems. Where the manager problems are complicated, but rarely complex, there is a little uncertainty because problems are tame. So we can conclude that the main challenge for the managers in with problems is to apply multiple values with their workers and find a specific solution for their teams. They need to find balance between their interests of the company and the interests of their workers, In that way, the solution will compound values and executive strategies. Thank you very much. We're team number 7, and you can stop recording.